If my calculations are correct, when this baby hits 88 miles per hour, we're going to see some serious
Now I had the time of my life,
and I owe it all to you.
so we take each other's hand, 'cause we seem to understand the urgency. Just remember,
You're the one thing
I can't keep up.
So I'll tell you something.
There's gonna be love,
Because I had the time of my life. I never felt this way before.
They bought it.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Incredible. One of the worst performances of my career, and they never doubted it for a second. How could I possibly be expected to handle school on a day like this? It's my 9th sick day this year. If I want to go for 10, I probably need to barf up a lung. You may think faking sick is childish and stupid, but then again, so is high school. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you can miss it.
Bogorowski. Budinsky. Budinsky. Yes?
My best friend's boyfriend's sister's friend said she saw Drew pass out at Chipotle last night. Must be serious.
All right, thank you. McHugh. Longino. O'Neill. O'Neill. O'Neill.
Hello?
Connor, buddy, how you feeling?
Terrible.
Is your mother in the room?
No, she's out on work. She's not staying, unfortunately. Where are you?
I'm taking the day off. Now get dressed and come on over.
I can't, stupid. I'm sick.
It's on your head. Now get over here.
I can't, Drew. I feel like total crap.
I'm very sorry to hear that. Now get over here and pick me up. Hey, Connor, one more thing.
What?
Bring your dad's car.
Well, Mrs. Budinsky, I can assure you this is no simple matter. Do you know how many times he's been absent this year?
Well, I don't think it's been more than 3.
Your son Drew has been absent 9 times this semester.
9 times? Drew has been absent 9 times?
Yes, 9 times.
I can't remember Drew being sick 9 times.
That's because, Mrs. Budinsky, he wasn't sick. He was skipping school.
I don't believe this.
Wake up and smell the coffee, Mrs. Budinsky. I've got it right here in front of me. Sue! Sue!
I asked for a car and got a computer. How's that for being born under a bad sign?
What was that all about?
There's something wrong about this, Sue. That Drew Budinsky is behind this. I just know it.
Oh, Rich, I don't know if you can make that kind of accusation.
What is so dangerous about a kid like Drew Budinsky is that he gives good kids bad ideas.
Oh, well, he's very popular, Rich. The motorheads, the jocks, third team, the nerds, they all adore him. He's a righteous dude.
Please, I am going to get to the bottom of this.
Hi, I have a doctor's appointment. Can I sign out?
Just sign out.
What's going on here?
I have a doctor's appointment and I need to sign out.
Okay, well, let me walk you right out.
I'm fine.
No. I insist. Right this way.
Thank you for walking me out.
I wouldn't have it any other way.
Oh, that's my dad.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Oh, Emma, dear.
So that's how it is in that family.
Where's the nice car?
We'll pick it up on the way.
Bam bam, mon ça se passe, j'ai sur mon lit à bouffer sa langue en buvant trop mon whisky. Quant à moi, peu dormi, vie débris, mais j'ai dû dormir dans la gouttière où j'ai eu un flash.
Hello, sir. Hold that for you.
No, not here. We're not leaving the car here.
What's gonna happen?
You could get scratched or dented or breathed on wrong.
Watch this. I'm gonna give the guy a 5 and everything will be okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I'll take care of it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll be just fine.
Now I want you to take extra special care of this car, all right?
Don't worry, sir. I'm a professional. I got this. You'll be fine.
Professional what?
So what are we gonna do today?
The question is, what aren't we gonna do today? Crap, it's that late already? My parents are gonna kill me. Can you take care of the car?
Yeah, I got it.
Looking for this? I've got you now. How would you feel about another year of high school under my direct supervision? Scheiße, mein Auto!
Thanks for the ride, dude!
Said it once, and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop looking around once in a while, you might miss it.
Yep, nailed it.
Silver screen and all its sad goodbye. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Go and see
Looking for this? I've got you now. How would you feel about another year of high school under my direct supervision?
I guess when we're approaching Ben, he's kind of ruining the shot by waving like an idiot.
I don't know. They all love him. The jocks, the motorheads, the bikers.
My best friend's boyfriend's sister's friend said she saw Drew last. Oh shoot! My best friend's boyfriend's sister's friend said she saw Drew at Chipotle last night. Must be sick. All right, last night at Chipotle, pass out. Oh shoot! I said. Oh, I said it wrong. I said it backwards.
That's
can I read it? My best friend's boyfriend's sister's friend said. Oh shoot!
You're still here? It's over. Go home.